Engineers interning at Motorola gave SolidWorks to our team last year and taught students how to use it. The team became so proficient in that first year that they were able to completely model our robot. Because of the success of SolidWorks, the district asked us to help write a curriculum for a new class in our high school. This past fall, we had our first semester of SolidWorks instructions. We were actually working as teaching assistants to the teacher all semester. It was now the students who were doing the teaching and not just to our team members. We were teaching to general education students as well. Many of the students took to it easily and became better with it every day. They started with the basics of SolidWorks and rapidly learned the complexities of it.
District then found out about the 3D mouse and all of its attributes. They decided to purchase a class set. We are now rolling. The 3D mouse made working with SolidWorks much easier and more fluid. It took a little time to get used to, but after initial trial phases with them, everyone became comfortable working with them, and we modeled at a quicker pace. We then bought the 3D printer. This enabled us to design and manufacture what we drew. We were able to see real-life representations of our designs. We capitalized on this by printing items for the robot. In fact, we have quite a few parts on the robot which we designed and printed. If you look at the robot, all the items in red were designed and printed by our team.
The great benefit of SolidWorks came from our ability to model prototypes prior to actually making them. We were able to calculate what would and wouldn't work without wasting valuable time and resources building prototypes. When we did finally decide on a design, we made it first in SolidWorks and then started construction. This was especially significant with the ball intake mechanism. We designed it and showed its positive attributes to the rest of the team, and now they feel that it is one of the best parts on the robot.
We were able to accomplish such a huge task as making the entire robot with as much detail as possible by dividing the individual components amongst the SolidWorks team, taking the measurements of each piece with calipers to make sure we had 100% accuracy down to the finest detail. We were then able to fully scale draw the robot. We then pulled everything together in the end to make the final assembly. Then came the time for the videos, which were difficult to make, but with time and patience they were accomplished. The explode video, which displays every piece of our robot come apart exactly as it should if you were to take every part and lay it out, while the collapse video is the reverse of the explode process, showing everything being put together again. The motion study video of the robot in action represents through animation one characteristic that our robot can perform. The veterans taught the rookies the video editing process in the program, and some picked up on it enough to start some videos of their own.